Assalamu alaikum and good morning. My name is Meerab. Today I want to speak a few words about defending our country. Dear teachers and friends, our beloved country is Pakistan. We got it after many sacrifices. Thousands of people gave their lives for this land. It is our duty to protect and love our country. Under the flag of green and white, we stand for Pakistan with all our might. We must work hard, study well, and be honest to make our country strong and successful. Our brave soldiers stand on the borders in cold, heat, rain, and snow. They stay awake so we can sleep in peace. We swear by the soil we will stay true and defeat the enemy whatever they do. Whether there is war or any problem, we stand united as proud Pakistanis. We love our country and we are always ready to protect it. Heart of hearts, it's Pakistan. Life of lives, it's Pakistan. We are Pakistan and Pakistan is us. In the end, I just want to say Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.